If you've never astral traveled before or had an out-of-body experience, this is the most important video you're ever gonna watch. Before bed, maybe 10 or 20 minutes before bed, step number one, set an intention. For the highest good of all, I want to safely astral travel tonight. Now, after that, next thing you do is you imagine this pure white light coming down from the heavens into the top of your head, filling your entire body up with this white, pure, safe, and powerful light. And when you're ready, just go ahead in your mind's eye. You can visualize this, you can know this, you can just feel this happening. Follow the light as far as you can go. Beyond your city, beyond your state, beyond your country, up beyond the world, beyond Earth, as far as you can go to the end of that light and beyond. And then go to sleep in that energy and watch yourself astral travel for the very, very first time.